welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Alma. If you like little lifestyle, get a little passport stamp, this is the channel for you. So make sure you subscribe because I post every week and have been for the last 13 months or so in February. So 13 months. Anyway, you guys, today's gonna be a solo date vlog type thing. Valentine's Day is right around the corner. For me, it's tomorrow, but by the time you guys see this video, it was on Saturday. And so whether you're in a relationship or not, it's just important to take time and, you know, be in tune with yourself. That was good. Anyway, so today is literally all about me for the most part. I'm starting off my day with a Pilates class. The class actually starts at 9:30. It's 9:23, so I'm gonna talk to you guys for a little bit, then I'm gonna head in there, go home, shower, and then I have a pottery class later this afternoon. Then after pottery, I have a Pilates class again, and then I have a party to go to. But in between that, I'm supposed to do some packing. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it is really a lot going on. I did want to go out and take myself out to like a nice little lunch or dinner, but logically and realistically, I can't even figure out when I'm supposed to go grab this meal. I was like, okay, initially, like after Pilates, you can go home, you know, freshen up and stuff, and then go out to eat. But I'm like, ooh, the food might take long, and then that's going to interfere with my pottery class, and then yeah, then after pottery, I was like, okay, I can go eat, but then it's like, then I'm gonna be doing Pilates on a full stomach, and if you know anything about doing Pilates on a full stomach, 10 out of 10 do not recommend. So I might just grab something in between, a little something. So yeah, let's get this workout in. This is my first time taking a class with this instructor. This instructor is actually Chelsea's friend. If you guys have been here for like years and years and years, my friend Chelsea, this is her friend. And I met her at Chelsea's birthday dinner, and she's like, oh, I teach here. I was like, oh, I didn't know. So her class happened to work with my schedule today. So yeah, I don't know, like I don't know, I'm nervous to take the class with her just because I know of her, if that makes sense. But anyway, I just saw a lady go in, so let me go grab my spot before someone else goes takes it. So I'll see you guys in like an hour. Class is over. It was a good workout. I'm so sore from yesterday's workouts. Y'all don't even want to know how many times I exercised yesterday. But when we're doing circles with the straps, so this was reformer Pilates, it was a really good like stretch for me because I am so sore from yesterday. And I didn't realize it until I was going down the stairs to get to the studio here. But yes, so workout one of the day complete. Like I said, I have another Pilates class later this evening though. But right now I'm gonna go home, freshen up, start laundry, because I have laundry, and you know, I say the intro for a reason. So I'm gonna be out of town this weekend. So yeah, so let me go home. I feel like I really feel like I'm on this really intense time crunch, because I just feel like things are just so oddly spaced out and I have so much to do. So we're just gonna figure it out. So let me go home, and I will catch you guys at home while I was unpacking or doing laundry or something. So we'll chat in a little bit. So I was headed home, and I thought I was gonna get Jersey Mike's. Yo, I have not really been eating out this year, so this would have been my first time getting Jersey Mike's. But I don't know if it was an accident or something, like by the way, like by the direction I go home, so I had to go another direction. I was like, okay, I'll just get Blaze. So right now I'm at Blaze, and if you guys don't know what Blaze is, it's just like make your own pan pizzas, build your own. It's like latza and pizza. I don't mod pizza, I feel like that's in more places. So I usually get a 2-topping pizza. I used to do a build your own and only get 2 toppings. That was before I knew 2 toppings was an option. So I just get bacon and ham, and so it should be ready. So I'm about to go in there and get it. Not the point of today's video, but I do need help. Excuse the vacuum. So I'm trying to pick a dress for dinner. By the time y'all see this, Valentine's Day is over. But I'm trying to pick a dress for dinner. So this is option number 1. It's a little red number. It has the V cut right here. I don't know how I feel about it because I did get bit on my chest in Brazil, so I have like a dark spot from it. So, ooh, I almost flashed y'all. Yeah, I think I would definitely wear my hair to the front. The dress is very short. I would pair it with this gold bag. It's my sister's. I was thinking with this gold bag, but I'm like, what shoes would I wear with this? Or I can do, what can I do? Oh, so here, like my signature dressy combo, which is YSL clutch with nude heels. I wish this was like in real time, because by the time y'all get back to me, the situation's already happened. But yeah, I just really wanted like an opinion, and everyone in this house is sleeping, and I won't dare show my African mom this dress, because she always telling me, you always want to show your boobs, you don't even have any. Not too much on me. Option 2, unfortunately I cannot zip it up all by myself like the first one, but it's just a white jumpsuit, long white jumpsuit. It has pants attached, and I'm like, do people wear white on Valentine's Day? It would still be the same accessories, go bag, don't know what shoes yet, or or the YSL clutch. If I wore white, I could spice it up with pink. I could do pink. Hold on. So I could wear these pink strappy heels. Okay, that's definitely an option. And then I'm showing you guys this light pink bag, but I mean, I'm showing you guys this hot pink bag, but I definitely have the lighter pink version. So I think this might be the accessories for the white outfit. All pink accessories. What y'all think? What y'all think? So right now we got a red and gold, got white and pink, and then no, we have white and pink. This is pink, but we're not doing white and pink. We're doing white and pink. And then the other option, y'all will see, is also going to be a red number. So let me know in the comments which one y'all feeling so far. Super quick update. Y'all saw me at home trying on the dresses. I couldn't find the third dress, but if you watch the Portugal vlog, which I'll link in the iCards in the description box down below, one night when we're going to dinner, I wore a black like shorts flow out dress. I also have that dress in red, and that is the dress I'm looking for. I'm still looking for it. I haven't found it yet, so that's why I didn't try it on. But those are the 3 options. So like I said, leave a comment down below on which number you are feeling more. I'll probably show you the dress by itself once I find it, if I find it. But if not, just tell me which number you're feeling, 1 or 2. Now I am at my activity, so I am at the Pottery studio. Ooh, the class starts in 1 minute. If you are up to date with the vlogs, y'all know I tried to come here, but shorty had a dog, and I just don't do dogs, I don't do cats, I don't do animals. So I got my thing rescheduled, so I'm here today, and parking was hectic. Luckily, it took some time, but I got parking and I have a minute. So let me go inside and I'll catch up with you guys while I'm there doing my pottery thing.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up.
No, that looks good. So what you want to do is keep this hand, or keep one hand down on the wheel head, and take the other hand and just kind of push down a little bit on the top. That way you kind of create that cone shape.
Okay.
A little bit. And you can literally just move your hand down the side and you can shape it that way.
Okay.
You could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You won't miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't I ain't coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up.
The way that pinch, that doesn't look too bad. But I think if we start to try to straighten this up, it's getting thin as it's going around, and every time we start to straighten it up, it's just going to get that much worse.
Okay,
It's
so
gonna
just
get
leave it like that.
I think I would leave it like that. You actually have a decent sized bowl. That's not bad.
Okay.
That's not bad at all.
Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone and don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning.
Y'all, I just got done with that pottery class. It was actually a lot of fun. I did really well. My sister's done pottery before and she was like, it's difficult. I did really well, but then at the end I like pinched it too much. So now like my bow has a little funky design, but he was like, it's kind of cool. And he wasn't just saying that to make me feel better. So I am happy. I think I might come back again and do like a regular, like the beginner's class. Like, I don't know, I really have fun. And then I met this girl. Hey girl, if you're watching, she's super nice. And yeah, overall, it's been a good experience. So when I was supposed to come initially, I was supposed to come by myself. And they rebooked me because they had a dog roaming around, and y'all, like I told y'all earlier, I don't do that. But when they gave the new tickets, it was like you and your guests. I was like, but I only paid for one person. So I didn't know if like that was a typo or something, or were they telling me to bring somebody? I don't know, but everyone in here was a couple, except for me. But it's a solo day anyway, so I didn't feel any type of way about that. This is literally my third outfit change of the day. But I just want to take a shower after pottery. It was a little messy and I just wanted to hop in the shower. So I got out the shower. I'm dressed for Pilates, have on this Chrono Overflow top. And yeah, I'm about to go to my second class of the day. This is my second and last workout of the day. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all before I go to a party, because I have like a Valentine's Day thing to go to. But that's after Pilates, so I'll talk to you guys then. And yeah, I just want to check in with y'all real quick. It's been an eventful day. Is this jump zoomed in? Alright y'all, it's the next day. Technically, it's the next day. I think the last time I saw you guys I was going to Pilates. Or maybe it was after I came back from Pilates, girl, I don't remember. After Pilates, came home, had to get ready. Went to Desiree's house for her Valentine's Day event. So yeah, that is the end of this vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week Monday for another video. Bye beauties.
Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you.